Getting started with cryptocurrency often feels like learning a new language, and before you can speak it fluently, you need to understand the basic tools. The most fundamental tool is the crypto wallet. Think of it as your personal digital vault. It is a software program or physical device that stores your public and private keys. It allows you to send, receive, manage your digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Visual diagram. Wallet icon with arrows pointing to send, receive, store. A wallet does not hold your coins like a physical wallet holds cash. Instead, it holds the keys that prove you own assets on the blockchain. The blockchain is a global, decentralized ledger. A custodial wallet is the most straightforward entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. It is a wallet where a third-party service, typically a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance, holds and manages your private keys on your behalf. This arrangement is very similar to how a traditional bank operates. You entrust the institution with the security of your funds, and in return, you get a user-friendly experience, username, and password access customer support. This is why many newcomers begin with a custodial wallet. The learning curve is gentle. It removes the immediate pressure of managing complex cryptographic keys yourself. The process of setting up a custodial wallet is designed to be as simple as possible. First, you select a reputable and regulated cryptocurrency exchange. Choose a platform with a strong security track record and one that complies with regulations in your country. You will then create an account using your email address and a very strong, unique password. Most major exchanges will require you to complete a Know Your Customer process, which involves verifying your identity by submitting a government-issued ID. This is a standard anti-money laundering measure. A non-custodial wallet, also known as a self-custody wallet, places you in complete control of your private keys and, therefore, your assets. Unlike custodial services, no third party has access to your keys. This grants you financial sovereignty and aligns with the core decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. MetaMask, browser extension and mobile app. Trust Wallet, mobile-first wallet. With a non-custodial wallet, you are your own bank. Interact directly with decentralized applications. Participate in DeFi protocols. Manage your assets without seeking permission from any intermediary. This freedom comes with absolute responsibility for securing your own funds. Setting up MetaMask is a critical skill for exploring Web3. Download from metamask.io or from your phone's official app store. Be extremely cautious to avoid fake sites or apps. Once installed, select Create a new wallet. Create a strong local password for the app. That password only protects the app on your device. It's not the key to your funds. Wallet will generate a 12-word secret recovery phrase or a 24-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to all your funds. Handle your secret recovery phrase with the utmost care. Write it down on paper, multiple copies in separate secure locations. Never store it digitally. Not in a text file, not in your email drafts, not in cloud storage, never as a screenshot. Section 4. The Binance Web3 Wallet, a hybrid approach to security. In an effort to bridge the gap between the simplicity of custodial wallets and the security of self-custody, new hybrid models are emerging. The Binance Web3 Wallet is a prime example of this innovation. Integrated directly into the main Binance app, it is designed to offer a more user-friendly self-custody experience. It achieves this by using a technology called multi-party computation, MPC. Instead of giving you a single seed phrase to manage, MPC technology splits your private key into 3 separate key shares. One key share is stored on your mobile device. A second is encrypted and backed up to your personal cloud storage like iCloud or Google Drive. A third is held securely by Binance. Visual MPC diagram. This MPC setup offers a unique balance of security and convenience. To authorize a transaction, a signature from at least 2 of the 3 key shares is required. This means that even if your phone is lost or stolen, an attacker cannot access your funds with just that one key share. Similarly, Binance cannot access your wallet on its own, as it only holds one of the 3 shares. If you lose your phone, you can recover your wallet by accessing the key shares from your cloud backup and the one held by Binance after passing a security verification process. From within the Binance app, create a Web3 wallet and set a unique recovery password that encrypts your cloud-backed key share. Section 5. Hardware wallets, the Fort Knox of crypto storage. For those who are serious about long-term security, especially for significant amounts of cryptocurrency, a hardware wallet is the undisputed industry standard. A hardware wallet is a small, physical electronic device, often resembling a USB drive, that stores your private keys completely offline. Ledger, Trezor. This method, known as cold storage, creates an impenetrable barrier between your keys and the internet. Because your keys never touch your internet-connected devices, they are protected from malware, spyware, and phishing attacks. It is the digital equivalent of storing valuables in a high-security vault. Always purchase directly from the official manufacturer to avoid tampering. Receive the sealed device. Install the companion software. Connect the hardware wallet via USB. Follow on-device prompts and set a PIN code. Back up the recovery seed phrase shown on the device. Write all words and store them securely offline. Section 6. Essential security practices. Your personal defense plan. Regardless of which wallet you choose, adhering to strict security practices is non-negotiable. The most important rule is to protect your recovery seed phrase above all else. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. Legitimate companies or support will never ask for it. Write the seed down on paper. Etch it into metal. Store it in a secure, private location, preferably fireproof and waterproof. Avoid digital storage at all costs. Make multiple physical copies and store them in different secure locations. Be vigilant against phishing attacks. Scammers build fake websites. They send deceptive emails. They create fraudulent social media profiles. Phishing warning image. They manufacture urgency, claiming your account is at risk, or lure you with too good to be true giveaways to get you to click malicious links. Always double and triple check website URLs before connecting your wallet. Bookmark the official sites you use. Be skeptical of unsolicited DMs and pop-up validation requests. When in doubt, close the window and go to the official site yourself. Segment your funds. Don't keep everything in one wallet. Consider a multi-wallet system. Custodial wallets on exchanges for trading and buying. Hot non-custodial wallets like MetaMask for daily dApp use. Only keep a small disposable amount in hot wallets and use a burner for risky sites. Section 7. Conclusion. The keys to your crypto kingdom. Choosing and setting up a crypto wallet is your foundational step into a larger, decentralized world. As we have seen, the path you take depends on your comfort level with technology and your risk tolerance. For absolute beginners, a custodial wallet from a trusted exchange offers a simple and supported entry point. For those ready to embrace true ownership, a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask provides the keys to the kingdom along with the profound responsibility to protect them. Innovative solutions like the Binance Web3 wallet offer a compelling middle ground. Hardware wallets remain the ultimate fortress for securing significant, long-term holdings. The single most important piece of advice is this: your security is your responsibility. The power is in your hands. Make sure you know how to hold it securely.